Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fat loss protein powder at home. First, gather your key ingredients like milk powder, oats, and a protein source. This method ensures you know exactly what goes into your body, avoiding artificial sweeteners or fillers often found in commercial products. It's a cost-effective way to support your fitness goals and customize your nutritional intake. Let's get started on crafting your personalized blend for better health. To begin, you'll need a few core ingredients. Start with 1 cup of non-fat dry milk powder, which provides a good protein base. Next, add about half a cup of finely ground rolled oats for complex carbohydrates and fiber. For an extra protein boost, incorporate 1/4 cup of a pure protein source like pea protein isolate or unflavored whey. Finally, customize with natural flavorings such as 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder or a pinch of stevia for sweetness. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to blend them. Use a high-speed blender or food processor to combine everything until it reaches a fine, consistent powder. This ensures easy mixing later. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining freshness and potency. Transfer your homemade protein powder to an airtight container, like a glass jar, and store it in a cool, dry pantry. This keeps it ready for your next shake. Using your homemade protein powder is simple. Just mix 2 to 3 tablespoons with 8 to 10 ounces of water, milk, or your favorite beverage. This provides a convenient, high-protein and low-sugar option to support your fat loss journey and muscle recovery. It's a fantastic way to fuel your body with clean ingredients. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.